hold on, my other foot, hold on. Ah! Ah!
Don't make that, please.
Oh.
And hold it.
Trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows, but I won't let the stormy seas.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you haven't already subscribed, just hit that subscribe button down below. Just follow the newest family, one of the newest families on YouTube, okay? So how you doing? I am pretty happy. I'm excited. We're just about to go to the Giza pyramids, the Great Springs, and I don't even remember what the other one is, but our tour guide is downstairs waiting on us. We're late. We should have left at 8:30 and it's probably around 8:45 now. Not my fault this time. I have someone else to blame. However, we're gonna get our day started, and as usual, I'm gonna be taking you along with me. This place that we stayed at is Amaranta Pyramids, and I have a review coming up on that soon, so stay in tune for watch out for that one, okay? All right, so let me stop rambling. I'll see you guys later and enjoy the vlog. Bye. Guys, driving through Giza, and I find this so amazing. You're driving through the city and you basically just see the pyramids just pointing out. I still have not been able to get a good shot of it as yet, but I just find this so amazing. Like just a mix of old and new. You're right in the midst of it all. Look at it. We're just driving through the town. And there are the pyramids, just looking right back at you. Alright guys, so we just got to the ticket center. Claire's behind us buying our tickets. So we are just trying to get our tickets and then, yeah, so we can go in. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am in front of the pyramids and behind me. This is the story behind the pyramids. So the Egyptians believe in Ra, the sun god. They believe that Ra was born every night in the east and he went to die, taking the dead with him every night in the west. So they had their houses to the east of the Nile River, and they built their tombs, or these magnificent structures that you see behind me here, as their tombs to the west, so that when Ra was going home to die, or going to die in the west, that he would take them with them. So that's the whole story as to why the pyramids are built on the west as opposed to their houses built on the east. Isn't this just amazing, guys? Can you imagine that our black brothers and sisters, our black Egyptians, built this from scratch on their backs with their hands? And yes, so they say we weren't technologically advanced. Seriously. Amazing.
Soon after.
Guys, enormous scared of animals. Oh! This is also Sam here? Oh, are you sure he's okay? Oh, hold on. You're gonna come behind me? Yes? Behind me. Do I keep my feet in this? No, hold on. Oh, hold on, my other foot. Hold on. Ah! Ah!
Don't make that, please.
خليها تقعد في
So guys, I'm excited for the Great Springs, and there's again, it's another interesting story. So my friends laugh because I probably said the word incorrectly, but anyways, there's a story behind it because there was a big stone in front of the pyramids and they were going to use it for a gate into the pyramids. However, when they started digging it out, they realized that it was too soft, that it would not have held, so they decided to turn it into a statue instead. The statue is in two parts. The body is of a lion representing strength, and the head is of a human representing wisdom, that even though he's as strong as a lion, he still has the wisdom and knowledge to lead his people correctly. So that's what this great architectural structure represents. Isn't that just amazing?
Later.
So we went to the Filet Bazaar after to do some shopping. So let's go inside and see what the prices are and what they have on offer. Okay, so we're inside a bazaar and this is what inside looks like. These are some beautiful artifacts. For real, for real. Look at this piece. This is so beautiful.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you, sir? This is so beautiful.
It's good, nice.
Everything handmade?
Yeah, all handmade.
Handmade by Egyptians, yes?
Yeah. Egyptian, handmade. American?
No, I'm from Jamaica.
Welcome, man.
World Cup?
Welcome.
Whoa, welcome. Oh, I'm like, World Cup? The Egyptians were the first people to actually make paper from papyrus reeds. We're going to go inside, see some samples of paper that they've made, and then see how what the process is, how they make it. So come along with me.
What were you saying? You're going to say something?
Okay.
What were you going to say? What were you going to say, by the way? Okay, in the first, welcome in Egypt and welcome in our gallery, papyrus. But you have any idea about papyrus paper before?
We've heard of it. Yes, it's the first paper they made from papyrus reed, right? The first paper made by Egyptians.
Okay. In the first, I'll give you a brief idea about papyrus plant.
Okay.
This plant was a holy plant in ancient time because
I don't want to get you. Sorry.
The first upper part looks like the sun rays, okay? And the second looks like triangle pyramid, both a symbol of eternity. Now to make the paper, we just use the stem. And we cut the stem about the size we want, big or small. This is made by hand to make something original forever. We remove the green part and we cut the inner part into slices. But because inside it a lot of water, it's easy to break. To make very strong paper, we remove the water, we use a hammer and roll it.
There's a lot of water in there too.
You can't cut it to make very, very strong paper. After that, we put the slices in the water about a week.
What kind of water do you use? Is it like hot
Yes.
water
Yes.
or just cold water?
No, just water.
Room temperature water, okay.
Because we have two colors. We have white and we have brown. To make brown, we put the slices in the water more days. After that, we bring it two pieces from cotton like this and arrange the slices between them in horizontal and vertical and so on.
Like weaving.
Yes. Horizontal and vertical and so on. After that, we put the slices under this press more another week to stick together without glue, no glue. But in ancient time, no press rocks. But now we can't use rocks.
Oh,
It's easy
yeah,
to us.
yeah.
After this time, see?
So after these stays for 1 week here,
Yes,
1 week,
Oh,
and then after that,
Yes.
this.
Oh, wow.
Original paper. If you put it in the water, see? Many times. No problem. See?
Doesn't rip. Wow.
Because no
That's
glue.
amazing.
Oh my God. This is the original. After that, the artist in Egypt who drawing or the painting, the copy of original one in Egyptian museum and the temples. Behind every painting, we have a story. We have something for family, for friendship, for love, for success. We have something very nice for you, for successful lady.
Yes, please all show me. Please show me.
Okay. But now let's get to the masterpiece here, final judgment. That one is the most famous and over time.
All right, so after you buy your painting, they can actually put your name in hieroglyphics. These are the keys And these prices are in Egyptian pounds. 200 Egyptian pounds is approximately $13. Alright guys, so we're inside the Egyptian museum, and this was actually constructed in 1902. The way they constructed it was that they had a competition to see who put the best architectural design. This French guy, I don't remember his name, when he put a bid in, he put his design, and his design was chosen. At that time it was seen as a very classical way, the best way to show all the Egyptian artifacts that they were finding. Now some of the things in here are replicas and the rest are store because, of course, the European colonizers have the original piece. The museum has 2 floors. The ground floor is for the larger artifacts like what you can see here. These are tombs of different kings, queens, the rulers, the leaders, and replicas, statue replicas of them. Upstairs you have archives and the mummies. Come along with me and I'll take you and show you what the museum looks like.